8819. A series wound DC electric motor will normally A. Draw more current at high RPM than at low RPM. B. Draw approximately the same current throughout its operating range of speed. C. Draw more current at low RPM than at high RPM. The correct answer is C. In a series wound DC electric motor, the field winding and the armature winding are connected in series, which means that the same current flows through both windings. At low RPM, rotations per minute, the back EMF, electromotive force, generated by the motor is low, meaning that the counter-electromotive force opposing the flow of current in the armature winding is also low. As a result, the armature draws a higher current from the power source. As the motor speeds up and reaches high RPM, the back EMF increases, creating a stronger opposing force to the flow of current in the armature winding. This causes the armature current to decrease because the back EMF reduces the effective voltage across the armature winding. 8820. The type of electric wire terminals used for most aircraft applications, in addition to providing good current carrying capabilities, are designed primarily A. To prevent circuit failure due to terminal disconnection. B. For uncomplicated and rapid circuit connection and disconnection. C. For permanent connection to the circuit. The correct answer is A. In aircraft applications, the electrical wire terminals are crucial for ensuring reliable and secure connections between wires and various electrical components. While providing good current carrying capabilities is important, the primary design objective of these terminals is to prevent circuit failure due to terminal disconnection. Aircraft operations involve various vibrations, mechanical stresses, and environmental factors that can potentially cause wires to become loose or disconnected if not properly secured. The terminals are designed with features such as crimping, locking mechanisms, or screw connections that enhance the mechanical stability of the connection, minimizing the risk of terminal disconnection. The prevention of circuit failure due to terminal disconnection is of utmost importance in aviation to ensure the continuous and reliable operation of various electrical systems on board an aircraft. 8821. Why must aluminum wire be stripped very carefully? A. High heat will develop in stripping nicks. B. Stripping nicks can cause short circuits. C. Individual strands will break easily after being nicked. The correct answer is C. Aluminum wire is softer and more malleable compared to other types of wire, such as copper. It has a higher tendency for individual strands to break when they are nicked or damaged during the stripping process. When the wire is stripped, the outer insulation or covering is removed to expose the conductive core. If the stripping tool or process is not performed carefully, it can cause nicks or cuts on the surface of the aluminum wire. These nicks can lead to stress concentrations and weaken the individual strands of the wire. Since aluminum wire has a lower tensile strength compared to copper, any nick or cut can significantly reduce the structural integrity of the wire. It can make the wire more susceptible to breaking or fracturing, especially when subjected to mechanical stresses, vibrations, or thermal expansion and contraction. 8822. What is the function of the commutator in a generator? A. It changes alternating current produced in the armature into direct current as it is taken from the armature. B. It changes direct current produced in the armature into alternating current as it is taken from the armature. C. It reverses the current in the field coils at the proper time to produce direct current. The correct answer is B. In a DC generator, the commutator and brushes play a crucial role as a mechanical rectifier. They facilitate the conversion of the alternating current, AC, generated in the armature coils into direct current, DC, before it exits the generator. By utilizing the commutator and brushes, the generator ensures that the electrical output is in the form of direct current, which is essential for many applications that require a steady and unidirectional flow of electrical energy. 8823. What is the purpose of an ammeter in a battery charging system? A. To indicate the amperage available for use. B. To indicate the total amperes being used in the airplane. C. To indicate the rate of current to charge the battery. The correct answer is C. An ammeter is an instrument used to measure electric current. In a battery charging system, the ammeter is connected in series with the charging circuit, typically between the battery and the generator or alternator. The primary function of the ammeter in this context is to indicate the rate of current flowing into the battery during the charging process. It provides a visual indication of the charging current, allowing the operator or maintenance personnel to monitor and ensure that the battery is being charged at the desired rate. By observing the ammeter reading, one can determine if the charging current is within the specified range to properly charge the battery. If the ammeter shows a low or no charging current, it may indicate a problem with the charging system, such as a faulty generator or a broken circuit.